Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the elephant toothpaste experiment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more awesome science experiments. Before we get started, let's go over what you'll need for this experiment. Hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, food coloring, active dry yeast, warm water, a large plastic bottle or a narrow cylinder, safety goggles and gloves. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process. Safety first. Wear goggles and gloves when handling chemicals. Step 2. Place your large plastic bottle on a cleanable tray. Step 3. Add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide to the bottle. Then, add a good squirt of dish soap into the bottle and a few drops of your favorite food coloring. Swirl the bottle gently to mix everything together. Step 4. In a separate small container, mix 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast with about 3 tablespoons of warm water. Stir it for about 30 seconds or until it becomes a smooth, runny paste. Step 5. Now for the exciting part. Pour the yeast mixture into the bottle with the hydrogen peroxide solution and stand back. Wow! Look at that go! The foam you see is filled with oxygen bubbles, which are created when the yeast helps to break down the hydrogen peroxide. The dish soap catches the oxygen, creating tons of tiny bubbles and resulting in this spectacular foam eruption. And there you have it, your very own elephant toothpaste. This experiment is a fantastic demonstration of a catalytic decomposition reaction. It's perfect for science fairs, classroom demonstrations, or just a fun weekend activity. Thanks for joining me today. If you tried this at home, let us know how it went in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Keep experimenting and stay curious. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of science.